Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best printers for small business that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. And also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Brother Color Laser All-in-One Printer. This all-in-one color laser model is ideal for large print loads, as it doesn't take long to warm up, prints up to 32 pages per minute, and produces outstandingly sharp documents. Its flatbed scanner is large enough to scan legal-size sheets, 8.5 by 14, and it has an automatic feeder with single-pass duplex scanning to process multi-page and double-sided sheets quickly. The toner cartridges aren't overly expensive and last a long time, but you need to replace the drum separately, which is an added expense. Cheaper variants are available with fewer features. See our review for more details. While the MFC8905CDW is an excellent laser printer, it has a weakness: photo printing. Laser models aren't ideal for printing photos, as their photos look dull and lack detail. If you're looking for the best small business printer for photos or graphics, we recommend either the Epson EcoTank Pro ET5850 or the Epson EcoTank Photo ET8550. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Canon imageCLASS MF656 CDW Wireless Duplex Color Laser Printer. If you want something more modest but that's still capable of handling a high print volume while adding a splash of color, check out the Canon Color imageCLASS MF656 CDW. It's an all-in-one color laser printer with the same features and print quality as the Brother MFCL8905 CDW we recommend above. The big trade-off for its lower price is picking between printing speed and wireless connectivity. It can print up to 22 pages per minute, but only when using a wired connection, USB or Ethernet. This limits its ease of use if you don't have space near your desk or router to place the printer. Slow printing speed aside, the Canon still has plenty to offer. There are tons of connectivity options, as well as an ADF-equipped scanner with duplex scanning for easily processing double-sided documents. Its scan speed is also slower than that of the Brother printer, but it's still respectable at 14 pages per minute. At number 3, we have the Brother DCPL264ODW Wireless Compact Monochrome Multifunction Laser Printer. For businesses that only print black and white documents but still need a great quality scanner, get the Brother MFCL2820DW. This monochrome laser all-in-one produces high-quality documents, doesn't take long to warm up, and prints faster than our upper mid-range pick, the Canon Color imageCLASS MF656 CDW, at 33 pages per minute. A regular toner cartridge is sufficient for about 300 prints and relatively cheap to replace. Unlike the Canon, you'll have to replace the drum separately. Also, while you still get an ADF scanner, it's slower, processing just 7 pages per minute. It also lacks duplex scanning, although you can get variants that offer this feature, like the Brother MFCL2880DW. See our review for more details. At number 2, we have the Brother HLL246ODW Wireless Compact Monochrome Laser Printer. It feels well built and sports all the common connectivity options like USB, Wi-Fi, and Ethernet, making it convenient to access. It prints quickly at up to 34 pages per minute, supports automatic duplex printing, and has low maintenance costs thanks to its solid page yield and cheap replacement toner. There's one issue: the printing quality isn't up to par with what you would expect from a Brother laser printer. Thankfully, you can still produce sharp-looking documents if you do a deep dive into the printer settings. If your office is on a tight budget and needs a color printer with a scanner, consider the Brother MFCJ4335DW. It's a color inkjet printer with an ADF-equipped scanner. It prints detailed photos and has similar black page yields. And finally, at number 1, we have the HP OfficeJet Pro 9730E wide format wireless all-in-one color inkjet printer. This is a versatile all-in-one device that's best suited to an office environment with many different needs. It's great for printing posters, charts, and blueprints, as it supports paper sizes up to 11 by 17. It's not the fastest printer out there, but it can still push a respectable 20 black or 14 color pages per minute. There are also many connectivity options, including Wi-Fi, USB, and Ethernet, and you can print directly from a USB flash drive. This makes it convenient for everyone in the office to access. The scanner is feature-rich. Its flatbed scanner supports up to 11 by 17 paper, and its ADF supports automatic duplex scanning, so processing multi-page and double-sided documents is a breeze. It produces very sharp documents and prints relatively quickly for an inkjet model. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.